Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and receive everything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! And that's using Gov cleaning contracts. So we're going to talk about what we need to do to get, in this video, 12 months to building a six-figure cleaning business and beyond. And one of the ways we can do that is with Gov cleaning contracts. I know that a lot of people feel, because I get phone calls from various people that say they feel it's going to be too hard. And so I just want to invite you to my free masterclass where I go step by step on everything you need to actually get to six figures and beyond using government cleaning contracts. There are small ones that you can actually, win. There are some that are no bid. You do have to meet the requirements. I'll go over that. I'm going to tell you what you need to do to make sure you build that relationship with the government buyer. And guess what? I'm even going to show you where you need to go find government contracts. So that way they're probably right in your backyard. So if that's something you've thought about, scaling your business within 12 months to a six-figure business and beyond, then make sure that you join me tonight for my free masterclass. Click the link below to register and bring pen and paper. And I'm looking forward to seeing you. So until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.